it's Tracy and I am a mom of 3. I'm a full-time nursing student. I have my own business. With my schedule, it is almost impossible to time to get out of the house to actually go work out. Been that way for months. Between school drop-offs, meltdowns, exams, injury piling up, there's barely time for me to just sit down and chill, let alone go to the gym. My life's already chaotic. I learned that if I don't fill my own cup up, then I don't have any to give anyone else. So I finally said enough is enough. I've been using the Run treadmill. This thing is a beast. Now I can work out during nap time. I can set my iPad here and do my homework on. I can just even do my workout while the kids are in the next room. This thing makes it so I'm able to work out whenever throughout the day. I have also noticed that with my mom brain, it's actually been so complicated for me at first to just start working out and saying, okay, you know what, I'm gonna work out for an hour and be done throughout the day. It is so hard for me to do because I have so many things I have to be doing. So what I do is I normally go all the way up to 12 so I can get most out of the time that I'm on here. So I'll go up to 12 incline, and then I will even go to like 3 miles per hour and do that for like 10-minute increments all throughout the day. So I can still get that hour of working out, but it's not so much that it's like I'm dreading that hour. I'm able to just do it in little increments, which makes it super convenient for me, and I don't have to overdo it and then get stressed out because I'm so focused on other things I need to be doing. This 12 incline though is no joke. Even the 10 minutes is actually insane. That first few minutes, you're already feeling it in like the back of your legs. With the 12 incline, you're gonna burn more calories and you're gonna notice results way faster, toning those legs without running. Built-in shock absorption, which is huge for me. My knees and my joints don't take the pounding that they would on pavement, so it's a lot more comfortable and safer long term. Plus, it's super quiet. I can walk right next to my kid sleeping without waking anyone up. And when I'm done with it, I can literally just roll it away, just place it up. Has wheels here, so it's super easy to move away. You know, what I love most about having this treadmill isn't about the workout itself, it's about what it's done to my mindset and for my routine. I used to tell myself I didn't have the time to work out, but the truth was I just didn't have access. Everything that I'm doing throughout the day was just unrealistic for me to be able to go to the gym for an hour. Now I can hop on this treadmill for 10 to 15 minutes. It adds up. Honestly, I've noticed my stress levels are so much lower. Moving my body even a little bit clears your head and gives you energy. It's turned into something that my whole family will literally do together. My kids will be beside me walking and we'll just be watching our shows together. When I have a clear mind and I have more energy, I feel like a better mom because of it. Treadmill made that possible. Scheduling, no pressure, just freedom to move whenever and wherever I can. And you know what else I didn't expect? How comfortable this is to run on. Cushioning is amazing. I'm literally barefoot right now. Built-in absorption, you definitely notice a difference. It's only 23 cents a day for you to be able to work out at home. I had a bit of treadmills for at home and they were just not doing it for me because they didn't have a really good incline. This one with the 12 incline is perfect. I really feel like I'm able to get the workout done that I need to get done. And like I said, I like to do little increments throughout the day. So I'm able to get that full hour of exercise that I want to get without overdoing it or making my mom brain go crazy. Since doing this, I've been doing it for an hour every single day for 30 days and my energy's better, my mood's better, and I feel like me again. It's become my little reset, me, my playlist, and my treadmill. And the best part, it's affordable. It's got amazing reviews from real users who love it the same reason I do. Easy setup, a great incline option, and joint-friendly design. It comes with a 1-year return and exchange warranty on Amazon. There's 0 risk. So if you're a busy mom like me, trying to get your body, your energy, and your stamina back, this treadmill makes it possible. You can take care of yourself without leaving the house. Put that link in the description box to check it out and start your routine. And start your routine literally for cents a day. Thanks for watching, and here's strong, healthy moms everywhere. We got this.